Yeah, I'm shooting down. I'm shooting.
Sigcineni dog ngakubona ula kwi-event uyaspana izinto zangakini umzumbe ukanje uthini.
Well, I can't really say much because, you know, born and bred in 035,
Sure.
far north, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Team Mtuba, Shobotel is here, Q-Flex is here, you know what I'm saying?
Umzumbe
So I can't be choosing, but Makaula is here as well, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
So kunzima kuyashisa yabo.
Master M is here.
Yabo, Master M's here, Engineer is here,
Sure.
the Breeze is here.
Sure.
So mfethu hey, ukuthi nje ama rapper asemtuba avela avalela ukuthi afuna ukuthatha ama old school legends.
Sure.
Yabo, abantu abadala gemini abangayi understand the sound, abanga understand
Sure.
the performance sebekhathele nanunjenge new school cats, yabo. So asazi ukuthi kuzoba kanjani at the end of the day.
Sure.
It's all on the judges' hands, my friend.
Mafusa ngigcine goal my king.
Yeah, man, we still have an episode that it hasn't dropped yet, but Fed, watch
Sure.
out for that shit. White Cannibals interview, Street Access, but Fed, one of the first many episodes that I was trying to leak out, but then the team said we must just put it on hold.
Sure.
So, but Fed, yeah, Mafutu Solagala across all media, social media platforms.
Yes.
TikTok, Mafuto 035, Mafuto Sidla Gudla on Facebook, Instagram, Mafuto 035. Do like and follow Bafetu, share the stuff Bafetu, follow Ekalini Media, Born Black TV Bafetu, you know what it is.
So your channel dog.
My channel is Born Black TV, so I've been bulk shooting Bafetu. People have been asking, why am I drop? You know, and you always show us some edits. I'm bulk shooting, so I wanna drop like episodes once, and then you'll find them at a premiere there online, and then be able to boost and sponsor Bafetu so that everyone can see the content. Yeah.
Abazi simafusa ushaya no music dog.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, man, Mafuta does music, man. You know, I've been a rapper since way back. You know, and you know, must point in cool, and the breakthrough doesn't happen. Why not expand to other avenues? Yeah, and then make sure that the game is kept safe. You know, the youngins are well placed in, and you can channel them in the right directions. Because we've been in sessions, we've been in music video shoots, we've been on TV for our shows, so we know what goes on behind the scenes.
So the knowledge manje suyisebenzisa ngale ndlela yokuthi nabanye abantu ba benefit from wena.
Of course. Rick set the manual straight, Bafet. We never die, we multiply, so we have to keep on multiplying, Bafet. We have to keep on multiplying. These guys, they have to come in. I'm a gatekeepers. Open up these gates, Bafet. These kids are dope. Watch the music is on the internet. Cut listening to radio, Bafet. Download your stuff. There's Slick On Life, there's Audio Mac, there's YouTube Music, there's Spotify, there's more, Bafet. Make sure you guys are on that shit.
To inspire,
Yeah.
Send your shout outs, my king.
All right, I'd like to send a shout out to Team Far North, where I'm born and bred. Shout out to Team Mzumbe, Bafetu. You guys welcome me in Ngezande Futumele, Bafetu. I've been living there for 2 years, and it's nothing but the best. Yeah, well, so shout out to our captain, Tim Munji. Shout out to Master M. Shout out to Breeze Machola. Shout out to Spati Manja, LA Buddha, the guys who are working with us the past few days, Studio, Trap House Records. Shout out to those guys, Bafetu Skilo. Shout out to Mapebeza and Team Far North. Shout out to Q-Flex. Shout out to Mshobotel Mfethu. Shout out to Omakaula Mfethu. Shout out to wonke umuntu who made it out here. Maqinga AK-47 Bafethu. Shout out. I don't see you around. I thought you were going to make the team, dog. What happened? Shout out Bafethu. Keep pushing and make sure that you guys post your stuff. You are available to push and share. But don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Shout out.
Thanks for the energy.